Hi, this is Miss Sondecker again, and we're looking at the next 4 problems on our study guide. And what we have here are 3 different tables and with different information, and we're trying to write a function rule. So if I look at this very first table, what I'm noticing is that as the x's go up, so do the y's. And in fact, it looks like we're going to take each one of these times 2 is what it seems to be. So it looks like for this first one, we could say that the function rule is going to be, let me just move this over a little bit so I can get it all on one page. So the function rule for this appears to be f of x and we're thinking, is it mx plus b or a times b to the x? And this is going up, each time it's going up by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. So it looks like all we're doing is taking 2 times x. And just to make sure, let's go ahead and plug those values in and see if that doesn't work. So when x is 0, y is going to be 0 times 2, which is 0. When x is 1, f of 1 is going to be 2 times 1 is 2. And if x is 2, it's going to be 2 times 2 is 4. And so this one does appear to be the correct function rule for that first problem. Now look at the second one. It looks almost exactly the same, but somewhat different because we've got a 0. 0 maps to 1, 1 maps to 2, 2 maps to 4, 3 maps to 8, and 4 maps to 16. So this is growing faster. This looks exponential. So I believe what we're looking at here is f of x, and it's going to be an exponential function. And I think the key here is that when x is 1, f of x is 2. So I think our base here is 2, and our exponent is x. Let's just see if that works. So if x is 0, 2 to the 0 is 1, so that checks. If x is 1, 2 to the 1 is 2. And you can go through and check them, and that is definitely the function rule that we're looking for here. Now dropping down to the third one here, we've got 0 maps to 0, 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 4. And so it looks to me like we have some squaring going on here. So 0 squared, 1 squared, 2 squared. So our function rule here is going to be f of x is equal to x squared. So there you have it. There are the 3 function rules for those 3 tables. Now the question also says, look at the functions in problems 5 through 7. Which one is an exponential function? And that, of course, is going to be number 6. What makes it different from the others? Well, look at these. What makes it different from the others is in this case right here, the exponent is the variable, and that's what makes it exponential. I hope that this helped you with the next 3 set of questions. Keep following my videos for the rest of the study guide.